Welcome back to Horse Math channel. Today I'm gonna talk about angles and pool table. What is so interesting about the pool? It includes law of reflection. Says when a ball hits the table at an angle, say 45 degrees, it will bounce off the table at the same angle. So the ball starts from this red line and it bounces off 45 degrees up, stops at the side, then bounces down at 45 degrees down at the green line. Now it's exercise and game time. So which point should we hit to bounce the ball into hole M? We have A, B, C, these three dots. So we need to bounce on one of the dots, then it will get to the M hole, and that dot is the answer. So let's start with A. We shoot the ball at 45 degrees to A dot, and it bounces off the table at 45 degrees too, but it doesn't seem like it will hit the M hole. Let's try B. So the ball will shoot to a smaller angle, then it will also shoot the same size out of the table. So it might hit the M hole, and it actually does. But let's double check the C dot too. The C dot goes in a straight line and hits the side, then it'll bounce back down and back up. Then it's not gonna hit the M hole. It'll just go up and down for infinite times. So the answer is B. Do you think this video was fun? Like and please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.